Timmy Tao was a curious lad who wondered why the world seemed mad, with rushing and running to and fro, never content with the status quo. Then one fine day, while lost in thought, a wondrous insight to him was brought. When in tune with the cosmic way, peace and purpose come into play. Those who align with nature's flow find joy and ease wherever they go. Their wants and needs are amply met as they release struggle and fret. Timmy realized with a start, harmony begins in the heart. Embrace what is with gratitude, serving life with a giving mood. As he grew aligned with source, Timmy became a positive force. Hand in hand with the divine, his gifts and talents came to shine. So listen well, dear girls and boys, true wealth is not in fleeting joys, but in living out your sacred role. Uplift the world and feed your soul. As he grew aligned with source, Timmy became a positive force. Hand in hand with the divine, his gifts and talents came to shine.